Okay, so we're going to look at 3D shapes today and how to identify what type they are. We're going to start with these bottom two. Notice that they both have one pointy top. If you put your hand to the top of that shape, either one, you would get pricked. Okay, so when there's a pointy top, we call those pyramids. Okay, so pyramid, pyramid. Now, there are different types of pyramids though. You look at the base. For pyramids, you're going to look at the base of the shape to tell you what type. You're going to look down. So this first one, if you look at the base, what shape is that? It's a rectangle. So we would call that a rectangular pyramid. Rectangular pyramid. Okay? So this one right here, I'm going to put a box around that so you know it's the whole title. Rectangular pyramid, because it's a pointy top. Rectangular because the base is a rectangle. So this one here is also a pyramid, but it's actually going to be called triangular because the base is a triangle. Yeah, if you look at the base here, oops, we're going to redo that. If you look at the base, you have 1, 2, 3 sides, which makes it a triangular pyramid for the base. Okay, so again, I'll put a box around that so you know that those go together. So we have a rectangular pyramid, triangular pyramid, pointy top, so pyramids, and triangular base and rectangular base. Now the top two, it does not just have one pointy top. So since there is not just one pointy top, these are going to be called prisms. Okay, so if there's one pointy top, it's a pyramid. If there's not, we call it a prism. Okay, again, there's different types, but for prisms where you want to look, you don't look at the base for prisms, you look at the front. Okay, so this one, since it has a triangular front, we're going to call that triangular prism. Okay, put a box around that so you know. Prism, because there's not just one pointy top, and triangular, because the front is a triangle. Now the other one, the front, if you look at it, is a rectangle. So this one is going to be a rectangular prism. Again, it's a prism, not a pyramid, because there is not just one pointy top. So that is a rectangular prism, and again, I'll put a box around it so you can see that. Okay. Okay. So prisms, not one pointy top. You look at the fronts. Pyramids, pointy top, one pointy top, you look at the base. Okay, I'm going to clear that off now. We'll keep going. We'll do some practice here in a little bit. So if I scroll down, what do pyramids have? Pyramids have one pointy top, while prisms do not just have one pointy top. Okay, pyramids, one pointy top. Prisms do not have one pointy top. They can either be flat or have two pointy tops and a ledge, either way. Okay, what shape is this one? Take a second to think about it. Let's see if you got it right. Okay, this one is actually a prism because there is not one pointy top. It's flat on the top. And what type of prism? Rectangular, because the front is a rectangle. So rectangular because the front, and prism because it's a flat top. Okay, clearing that off, we're going to go to the next one. This one, I'll give you a second to think about it. What do you think this one's going to be? Okay, since there's one pointy top, we call that a pyramid. And since the bottom is a triangle, we call that a triangular pyramid. Okay, triangular pyramid. Next one. Give you a second to think about what this one is. Okay. Give you a second. Okay. This one is a prism because there's not just one pointy top. At the top there's a ledge and 2 points. So it is a prism, not just one pointy top. And what type? Look at the front. It's a triangle, so it's a triangular prism. Okay. Next one. And again, if you were going too fast, you can always pause the video and take your time trying to figure out which one is which. Okay, this next one, give you a little bit of time. Think about what you think it is. Okay, one pointy top, so it is a pyramid. What type of pyramid? Well, look at the base. It's a rectangle, so we call that a rectangular pyramid. Okay. And that is the end of the video. If you have any questions, remember you can always go on to Google our live Zoom sessions.